hour expected shipping to the west. Areas affected include central Middlesex, Massachusetts, western Essex, Massachusetts, eastern Essex, Massachusetts, western Norfolk, Massachusetts, southeast Middlesex, Massachusetts, Suffolk, Massachusetts, and eastern Norfolk, Massachusetts counties. Wind. Strongest of these winds will come in 2 rounds. The first roughly between 3 and 10 p.m. this evening. The second between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Thursday. Impacts include unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Wind advisory remains in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. A few gusts up to 55 miles per hour are possible. Areas affected include portions of southeastern Massachusetts and northern and southern Rhode Island. Wind. Strongest of these winds will occur between 3 and 10 p.m. this evening. Impacts include gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Wind advisory remains in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. South winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected shifting to the west. Areas affected include Hartford, Connecticut, Holland, Connecticut, and Wyndham, Connecticut counties. Wind. Strongest of the winds from between 2 and 8 p.m. this evening. Impacts include gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Wind advisory remains in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. South winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. Few gusts up to 55 miles per hour possible. From Massachusetts after midnight. Western Hampshire, Massachusetts. Western Hampton, Massachusetts. Eastern Hampshire, Massachusetts. And Eastern Hampton, Massachusetts. Wind. Strongest of these winds will come in 2 rounds. The first roughly between 3 and 9 p.m. this evening. The second between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Thursday. Impacts include gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Wind advisory remains in effect. Winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 40 knots, diminishing to 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Or go to weather.gov. See the west. A few gusts up to 55 miles per hour possible. Areas affected include northern Worcester, Massachusetts, southern Worcester, Massachusetts, and northern Middlesex, Massachusetts counties. Wind. Strongest of these winds will come in 2 rounds. The first roughly between 3 and 9 p.m. this evening. The second between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Thursday. Impacts include gusty winds.
We are in a wind advisory.
Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. High was 5 degrees below the normal high of 49 COV. On the internet, for Moore's latitude was 37. Highs in the mid-40s. Sunday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming hour with gusts up to weather service in Albany, New York. Now here is the hazard day, which leaves the monthly total at 2.11 north.
We're on channel 1. Channel 5. Oopsie. Oopsie.
Thursday, mostly sunny. Mud 30s. Southeast at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was increasing to south. Here is wind advisory in following areas in Massachusetts: central Middlesex County, eastern Essex, southeast Middlesex, west. South winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts between 40 and 60 miles per hour expected to the west. Details. South winds will shift to the west as a cold front moves early this evening with Massachusetts, western Norfolk, Massachusetts, southeast Middlesex, Massachusetts, Suffolk, Massachusetts, and eastern Norfolk, Massachusetts counties. These winds strongest west, south to southeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected today. 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 blowing down, and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects of eastern New York. Here is wind advisory information for the following areas in Massachusetts: northern Worcester and northwest Middlesex County. West, south winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. Additional details. South winds will shift to the west as a cold front moves early this evening with wind gusts up to Massachusetts and northern Middlesex, Massachusetts counties. When strongest of these winds will come in 2 rounds. The first roughly between 3 and 9 p.m. this evening. The second between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Thursday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power cloudy. The temperature was 36 degrees. Station WNG 575. 10.525 megahertz from Pack Mode had not emptied the rural New Hampshire. 6:44. In the upper 40s, tree limbs could be blown down. Power outages may result. The offshore waters forecast for south of Long Island between cold with lows around 30.
So you know what?
A few gusts up to 50. 25 to 30 knots. Seas 8 to 14 feet.
I need to find channel 280.
Western Massachusetts, eastern Hampshire, Massachusetts, and eastern Hampton, Massachusetts counties. When strongest of these winds will come in 2 rounds. The first roughly between 3 and 9 p.m. this evening. The second between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Thursday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Station WXA-42 in Meriden. Operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. What? South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of central, northern, and southern for the following areas in Connecticut, northern Litchfield and southern Litchfield. Wind advisory remains in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 9 p.m. this evening. West, winds 50 to 25 miles per hour with gusts front moves through early this evening, with wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour possible. For the following areas, in Connecticut, Hartford, Holland, and Windham, wind advisory remains in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 9 p.m. this evening. What? South winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected shifting to the west. Where? Hartford, Connecticut, Holland, Connecticut, and Windham, Connecticut counties. When? Strongest of the winds from between 2 and 8 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast. Down and a few power outages may result. Additional details. South winds will shift to the west as a cold front moves early this evening with wind gusts 50 miles per hour possible. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle.
What?
Secure outdoor objects. What? South to southeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected today. Shifting to the west at 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour tonight into Thursday. Where? The Berkshires of western Massachusetts, the Mohawk and Schoharie Valleys, Capital Region, and northern and central Tectonics of eastern New York. When? From 9 a.m. this morning to 5 p.m.
What?
Eastern Standard Time Thursday.
A PDS 20 to watch.
Could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result.
Oh yeah, early forecast discussion.
South winds will shift to the west as a cold front moves through early this evening, with wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour possible. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. And now the hourly information for the greater Northeast. Here are the 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Before ending this video, I want to quickly show you. What did the SPC issue 20 to watch on 577? I don't know. And I'll get to WWH 43 when I get to WWH 43. Alright, that's it. Bye.